Jeffrey Pontius, CEO of Corvus Gold, joins us now on Kitco News here at the Gold and Silver Summit in San Francisco, or Silver and Gold Summit, I should say. Silver is really the focus here. Welcome to the show, Jeffrey.
Thanks, Danielle. That's great.
So let's talk a little bit about Corvus. I know you've been expanding at the North Bullfrog project. What's new at Corvus?
Well, Corvus has been involved in a big exploration play there for several years now. We came out with PEA last summer,
right.
Which looked quite encouraging, really impressive, moderate-sized project right now with a great high-grade component to it. And so we've been exploring over the last 12 months, looking for more of those type of vein systems. And those vein systems, we're starting to find a few of those.
Okay.
And we're doing a big infill drill program to capture those in resource ounces that we'll be able to bring into a new resource update study we anticipate coming middle of next year, maybe.
So what's your timeline? So like next year, what can we expect to happen here?
Well, we started our drill program about 4 weeks ago. Okay. We're ongoing in that drill program. That'll carry on through most of February. Once we get all those results back, we'll put them into a new model. We'll come up with a new study.
Well, do you have an estimate of how many ounces of gold you think you might be sitting on there?
You know, what we're really trying to do is right now we got 6 years of mine life at 150,000 ounces a year, and then we drop to about 68,000. We're trying to push that 150,000 ounces a year for the full 10 years of mine life. So we're looking at capturing about 300 to 400,000 ounces.
Now, I know you were optimistic for the sector, at the start, the first quarter.
Sure.
How do you feel as we're wrapping up the year? Same optimism?
Actually, I feel more optimistic, actually.
Okay.
We've had a very interesting election in the U.S. I think it really paints a picture for higher inflation rates that we're already starting to see translate into the market, and that's always a good thing for gold.
So where do you see gold prices? So you see President Trump as being beneficial to gold. It looked like it was going to be. I remember we were covering it on Kitco News. Gold spiking at $80. Then the next day, everyone thought it might go to $1,400. But we've really come down from those highs. So, how do you see it playing out here?
Well, I think there was a big offside gold trade that happened during the whole election because it caught everybody by surprise, I think. And I think once that flushes out and gets through the actual normal market, we'll see gold prices turn around and get right back to the same levels that they were before, and also work its way up on a appreciating market. And I see gold prices definitely exceeding $1,400 by the end of next year, and maybe even $1,500.
I always ask CEOs in the mining gold sphere whether they, really watch the price of gold, and some say, they don't chase it. Some say they watch it, religiously. On what spectrum do you see yourself?
Well, certainly I look at the fundamentals of gold more than anything, I guess. I'm not so much a day looker at it, but more along the supply and demand side of it. I've always been involved in exploration through my career, mainly with major mining companies, and really it's the supply side that looks like the squeeze to me right now, and it's a great time to have an asset in Nevada right now, I think.
Jeffrey Pontius, thank you so much for joining us. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thanks, Danielle. It's great to see you.
Thank you, Corvus Gold. And thank you for watching our coverage here from the Silver and Gold Summit in San Francisco. We'll have much more for you, so be sure to stay tuned to Kitco.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Jeffrey.